hope you all are doing great. So today I am up with this Mamaearth Vitamin C Toner with Vitamin C and Cucumber from my Mamaearth haul video. So today I will be reviewing this product. I will be telling everything about this product. Like after using this for so long, for a few weeks I have been using this product. So after using this, I will be now telling you everything about this product. You can see this is the toner. So let's just start with the video. So hope you all are doing great, you all are awesome. So this product is from my Mamaearth haul video, and if you haven't yet seen my Mamaearth haul video, then please just go and watch that video up. I'm linking it somewhere here or here. I'm linking it somewhere in the above. So just first go and watch the video, then jump to this video. So let's start with this video. This is the toner. This is how it looks. This do comes in this bottle, this fat bottle, but it looks damn cute. This is fat, but this is damn cute and classy with the retractable cap, with a rotatory cap in it. And all you have to do, this do not have any pump or something like that. For applying this toner, all you have to do is just open the cap, then take a cotton pad or a cotton ball, then just put it in that cotton ball or cotton pad, whatever you have, and then just dab dab dab. Do not rub it on your face, do not blend it on your face. Like if you think that you are using cotton, but then also cotton is even harsh for our skin, so just dab it out. Do not rub it on you. At least if you have an inflamed skin or something like that, then do not at all, highly not recommended. And if you are of normal skin, then also do not rub it. That's not the proper way of using toner. And even in my Mamaearth haul video also, I have told you, do not just rub it or blend it, just dab it on your face. So that's all how you have to apply. Just wash your face with your regular face wash and then dab it on your face. Okay, you can use this twice a day, like after having bath or before sleeping at night. So twice you can use it for better results. Let me show you the texture of this. You can see this is like regular toner, very much watery in texture. And the smell of this, talking about the smell, I really do not like the smell of this product. I really literally do not like the smell of this product, but otherwise this product is really good. Like the packaging of this product, the quantity you're getting 200 ml for rupees 399. That too from Mamaearth. Mamaearth is a cruelty-free brand. It is free from any chemicals, any harmful chemicals, parabens, sulfates, SLS, and whatsoever. This is dermatologically tested. This suits all skin types. This is for men and women both. So, like a huge thing. Okay, so you are getting the key ingredients of this product are vitamin C, cucumber. Okay, and here the other ingredients are written, that is vitamin C, aqua, glycerin, sodium PCA, aloe vera extract, non-allergen free fragrance, blah blah blah. Everything is written. So the fragrance is allergen free, but I do not like the fragrance at all. So. And now let's jump into the claims. What are the claims of this product? The claims of this product are: it cleanses the pores, it restores skin's pH balance, it purifies the skin. These three are the basic claims of like every toner, and these three are the claim of this toner even. So just talking about this toner, particularly this toner, I would say Mamaearth is like a good brand. This toner is even good. Now let's talk about the ingredients that are in it. That is, the key ingredient of this toner is vitamin C. Vitamin C minimizes fine lines, it reduces wrinkles, and it even makes the skin softer and smoother. So okay, this were the like what vitamin C present in it and what vitamin C will do to your skin. The next ingredient in it is cucumber. Cucumber is like, what to say, cucumber is a good ingredient in every toner. Like a toner with cucumber is just like heaven. So cucumber, what does cucumber do to your skin? Cucumber reduces swelling and puffiness of your skin. It will reduce the, like it will aid, if you are of acne prone skin, then it will aid your skin. Then it will act as an anti-aging ingredient, which is very much important, anti-aging ingredient. Then it will even provide a hydrated and fresh skin. Okay, your skin will be hydrated and it will feel fresh. So okay, and the another ingredient that I felt useful from this ingredient list, that is aloe vera. Okay, now what aloe vera will do to your skin? Aloe vera will, if you are of a girl or a boy of dry skin type, then aloe vera will maintain your skin's moisture. It won't make your skin feel dry. Then aloe vera will act as an anti-inflammatory agent. It will even reduce your acne. If you are of acne prone skin, then it will even reduce your acne like whatever you have, acne or pimples, and it will even lighten the scars like pimple scars or whatsoever. It will even do so. So all this for the like talking about the ingredients, and here it is, like you can see lemon is printed over here, but in the ingredient list I haven't found any lemon or something like that. But lemon is even useful for your skin. It do have citric acid in it. It will help in lightening the scars you have. It will even help in lightening the tan that you have on your face or wherever you are applying, like on your face and neck only. So these are all the things that are like stated in the body of it. Now let's talking about the what I felt, like sum up the points. If I sum up the points, like what I felt about this product after using it for like few weeks, I have been using this product. So what I felt about this product, now let's talk about that. So this is the product, you can see. The first thing that I feel is this dew brightens your skin. This dew lightens, like this dew gives a, if you use this for few days or few weeks, not even few weeks, if you keep on using this for few days, then only you will find that your skin is giving a glow, your face is looking, brighten up your face. This will brighten up your face, this will give your face a glow. Then what will it do? This have, like I will say, this is a good toner for people with dry skin, because this dew gives a moisture to your skin. So this is really good toner for people with dry skin. But people with sensitive and acne prone skin, I would not recommend for people with sensitive and acne prone skin, because I too am a girl with combination acne prone and sensitive skin. So for me, I felt like whenever I was using this and I was in AC, then it was okay for me. But if the AC is turned off and if I am in a weather like in a temperature of normal temperature, or in a weather where it is like a bit humid weather, then I feel that all my acne were puffed out and they were like all became white. So you can understand what I am trying to say. So yeah, all these were the things that I suffered from. But otherwise, this toner, I really like this toner. It is not suited for my skin, but then also I really like this toner because this indeed gives a glow to my skin. And talking about the pores, I can't really comment anything about the pores because I do not have as such big pores or something. I do have pores, but little pores, so I can't really comment on pores. But about the glowing effect, yeah, it do gives a glow. It is from a brand which is cruelty free. It is free from chemicals, free from parabens, free from sulfates. Then this can be used by men, women, both. This can be a bit annoying from the point of the smell. Like I really do not like the smell, although it is stated that this have allergen free fragrance, but I really do not like the smell at all. And the next thing is, like after applying this, you may find it a bit sticky on your face, because this dew indeed feels like I have taken it on my palm and now my palm is even feeling a bit sticky kind of thing. Over here I can like see a bit sticky kind of thing. So this dew indeed gives a sticky kind of feeling. Even for, if I talk about the people with oily skin, like I have already told you, for people with normal skin, dry skin, combination skin, or acne prone skin, sensitive skin. But talking about the people with oily skin, they can go for this and they can't even go for this, because this dew indeed gives a feeling of stickiness and oiliness. So for people with oily skin, they might feel it a bit oily, but otherwise it's okay. Like I really, why this do not suit my skin, I don't know, but I really like this toner a lot because this dew indeed gives a brighten up and glowing skin. So yeah, that's all about this product. What I felt, I have told you everything, like what I felt and the basics of this product, I have told you everything. Like hope now it will be beneficial for you in buying this product or in selecting some toners for your skin types. Perfect toner. So if you like this video, then please do give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet. So yeah, thank you.